Here's your online weather briefing for Saturday, October 11th, on a likely severe weather event Monday. I'm Donald Jones. The calendar says it's fall, but it still feels very much like late summer out there, with afternoon temperatures running 5 to 8 degrees above normal over the last several days. Our climatological normal high temperature for today is 82 degrees, but we're expected to reach the mid to upper 80s by this afternoon. We will also be looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, though, which will keep temperatures in some locations at bay. The good news is cooler air is on the way. A cold front is forecast to move through the area Monday, bringing overnight low temperatures back down into the 50s, with afternoon highs in the upper 70s for much of the week. The bad news is that as the front interacts with the very warm, moist air across the area, a squall line is expected to develop with severe thunderstorms embedded within the line. The primary threats as the squall line moves through will be for tornadoes and damaging straight-line winds. We'll have more details on the exact timing of the squall line and the front as the event nears. However, this is not expected to be an all-day event. Once the squall line passes through a particular area, conditions will improve and the severe weather threat will come to an end. In addition to the severe weather threat, the squall line will also bring very heavy rainfall. Rainfall totals are currently forecast to be in the 1/2 to 1 inch range, but these accumulations will likely occur over a fairly short period of time of a couple hours or less, which could lead to some short-term ponding of water on low-lying roadways. However, the water should drain quickly once the rain ends. Finally, taking a quick look at the tropics, Hurricane Hunter aircraft investigating subtropical storm Faye this morning found that the storm has obtained tropical characteristics and has now been given tropical storm designation. Faye will continue to drift to the north-northeast, possibly impacting Bermuda before being absorbed by a cold front in a couple of days. Faye will not pose any threat to the continental U.S. Looking further out, a couple of areas of disturbed weather will bear watching over the next several days, including a tropical wave that will be approaching the Bahamas by the middle of next week. The National Hurricane Center currently gives this system a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days. So to summarize, a cold front and an associated squall line will push through the area Monday, bringing the possibility of severe weather, including tornadoes and damaging winds, as well as rainfall totals of up to an inch. Behind the front, very pleasant conditions will overtake the region for the remainder of the week, with overnight lows in the 50s and afternoon highs in the 70s.